range of parenteral packaging technologies. eyetec focuses primarily on challenges, both compliance-wise and technologically, in the world of visual inspection and CCIT. The eyetec samples, for instance, the particle test samples, we do a visual examination of every sample under 3 different backgrounds with different illumination sources, so that we can ensure that only the defect that we intend to put in the container is effectively present in the container, that there are no other defects accidentally present. For the leak test samples, we have heavily invested in the latest laser technology, so that we can ensure both precision and reproducibility of our samples. Our latest development for particle test samples is that we also started creating particle test samples for lyophilized products, so freeze-dried products. And this is something that we started around 6 months ago, and now we see that more and more of our customers are also asking for this new expertise. In the world of leak test samples, we see that there is an increasing demand for smaller and smaller pinholes, and that's also an evolution that we try to follow. Also for particle test samples, something that we've recently started doing is assisting our clients in the design of POD studies, so probability of detection studies. That means that for difficult to inspect product, we will assist the client in developing a good study protocol. We will then, of course, also supply the test sets that they need to conduct a meaningful POD study, and then we will help them in the interpretation of the results of these studies.